Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see from the title, we are leaving Johor. So basically I want to quickly explain. Obviously the world is currently going through a pandemic and basically people are losing their jobs, things aren't going great. And the current rules in Malaysia are, some of the states are a little bit more open, some states are doing okay. Bars and restaurants and stuff are open, things can happen, like I played football the other day. But one of the rules is you can't interstate travel. So the other day we got a letter from the police, which means we can go to tioman! So guys, we're going on holiday to tioman. I know I got you a little bit there. We're not leaving Malaysia, everything's still fine, sort of. But yeah, so we've got a letter from the police, which means that we can go to tioman, because tioman is technically in a different state. Although you get the ferry from the same state, the actual island is in a different state. So guys, we are going there. Now you do have to have a valid reason to go to the places, and the valid reason is that we are going scuba diving. I know it doesn't sound too much of a valid reason, but we are going to go up and do a course up there, and some of the guys that are coming with us as well are going to go and do some discover scuba dives and stuff like that. So guys, it's a valid reason to be going, and we're really excited. We haven't been away for ages. I know we've done some trips, and also guys, I do apologise. It's been like 2 weeks since my last vlog. I have been so busy with video jobs and photography jobs and stuff like that I just haven't had the time. But guys, we are back. We are excited, and basically over the next few days we're going to have a couple of vlogs coming out, and I'm super excited about it. So without further ado, let's get on our way up to Mersing, have a couple of beers, and get ready for the ferry tomorrow morning. Woohoo! So we're on our way. First person to get in the car is Ella. Woo woo woo! What are you doing? Here she is! Whoa, we're doing anything? Yeah, let's go! Let's go! Beer's ready. So we've just arrived at the hotel, and here's a cat. So we're in Mersing now. Obviously you'll know Mersing from my previous videos. If you're new to the channel, Mersing is like at the very top sort of east coast of Johor state, and that's where we're getting the ferry to tioman from. So we're just staying here. We've literally just got one big room for all of us, and then we're gonna head to the bar and get a couple of beers after that really long drive. Who's excited for holiday time?
What? Holiday?
Yeah.
Gonna be buzzing.
Right. It's not quite the Ritz, but we're locked in now. Joking, right? So we just go for a beer.
Yep.
So this is our little hotel room, and it was 100 ringgit, 4 of us, which is not a lot of money at all. Got a flash TV, which is great. I've never seen a TV like that in my life. Anyway, beer time. Here's the team. They've all been working for like 6 months solid, so this is the first time they've been away. So they're all overly excited. Charles is like a huge big retriever. In like, I've never seen this street. It's really nice. All the art. I've honestly never seen this before. History, the only bar that I know of in Mersing, but it's super nice. It's super, super nice. Right, okay, so guys, it's now the morning. We're off to get the ferry. Gonna get a little bit of food first. A little bit hungover, not gonna lie. Had a couple too many last night. Got a little bit crazy, got in the holiday mood. But we're ready to go and get on the island. So I've just seen on one of my friend's Instagram stories and it looks gorgeous. Like the water looks crystal clear and I can't wait to take you guys scuba diving with me. Because it's something I really want to. I've not even been able to do a scuba diving vlog on this channel. Just COVID's just messed my whole life up. But let's hit up some food, then get to the island and have some more fun. So we have arrived here on Tioman and it's just so nice, and I'm really excited to be here, to be honest with you. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to check in, drop our stuff off, then we're going to get changed because we're still wearing the same clothes as from last night, and hire some bikes and go to the duty-free shop and get some cheap alcohol to basically enjoy this time without doing a dive course. Happy guys?
Yeah, what's in? Get in.
Right, let's check in. Right, so we're showered, we're clean. Now we're going to go to Kek, which is the next village along. We're going to hire some bicycles and we're going to go to the duty-free shop, stock up for the week with stuff, juices, and yeah. Then it's time to go swimming. Right, so we're going on our bikes now. To go and get some duty-free booze. Then time to come back for a swim. It's quite a long ride actually, so it's a really nice ride to go. It probably takes about 45 minutes to get there. My bum's already sore though. I haven't ridden a bike since I was a kid properly. Rode one last time I was here, but they're not easy to do. While GoProing as well is not the easiest thing. Right, okay. I've got it now. Let's go.
know the love was war. Then I saw you coming at me. Somebody that I used to know, somehow you're my enemy. I don't wanna fight.
So we've arrived in Tekek, and it's sort of like the main town, if you want to call it that, of Tioman. So this is where the duty-free shop is. You've got little restaurants and cafes. It's not like your Thai islands where you've got bars on the corner and stuff. Obviously it's oh, one sec, there's a huge speed bump here. Give me a second. Sorry. It's a little bit different to Thailand. It's a bit more community based. Obviously dive schools and stuff as well. But yeah, it's a nice place. Pretty chilled. Kids have all just finished school, I think, so all the parents are picking them up. It is ridiculously hot. But yeah, so this is Tekek. So the duty free was shut for a rest break. So we're stopping here to get a little bit of food. Little restaurant. Because we actually haven't eaten all day because we were actually late for the ferry this morning, so we didn't even get any food. But yeah, so we're gonna get some food. Yeah, let's get and a drink.
So we've got sweet and sour, black pepper and rice all mixed together. And it's probably cost around about 13 ringgit for just my one. So it's super cheap and tasty.
Without you, without you.
So we've lost Charles. Oh, here he is. What have you done, mate?
With my gear, my steering wheel.
Let's see. Bring it here. Let's see.
Welcome to Tioman.
Oh shit. At least it didn't happen way back at the duty free. Brilliant.
A little bit of snorkeling.
So this is all I've been waiting for. Water. So yeah. Lush. So here we are, we're on the balcony now. Had our swim, now we're having a couple of our duty-free drinks, which is all set up, ready to go. We intelligently bought the ice box. Good decision, Ella. But yeah, so we're gonna finish with that. Probably have a few drinks, enjoy the sunset. Guys, stick around, we've got some more videos coming right up after this one. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell, and if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a little like as well, and I'll see you next time.